CanWest has a wide variety of equipment available for your parking lot cleanups or small subdivisions that need the winter gravel and salt cleaned up, but don't want to wait for or won't be serviced by the City of Calgary. Businesses, having your parking lot cleaned up for client and customer visits reflects well on your business. Smaller subdivisions, condo and property management groups, call us to get your parking areas cleaned up now, before your customers and tenants start complaining. The equipment is standard in the industry, a Challenger sweeper and Bobcat with sweeper broom. But what isn't standard is what CanWest brings. Our insurance coverage is $10 million liability, so condo and property managers, rest assured that you are protected when you call CanWest. CanWest safety certifications. We are core certified, ISN registered, will provide a current WCB rating, and are long-standing A+ members of the Better Business Bureau. Safety and training of our operators is a priority within the culture of our company. Contractors, if you have a job that requires cleanup, our services are available 24/7, 365 days a year. We are a full-service excavation and demolition company. Call us for any other projects you may have that require excavators, bobcats, skid steers, or dump trucks. Call the professionals. Call CanWest. 403-225-4445. Or visit us on the web, www.canwestconcrete.com.